I remember when I was much younger, kasi yung tatay ko, sabi niya, Max, hindi na kita mag-aral ng college. So ask me what I did. Ask me what? Nag-apply ako sa isang maliit na restaurant. It was a company called Shakey's. Sabi ko, kung may pinakamagaling na dishwasher sa Shakey's, ako yun. So every day, I would dishwash. At after a week, alam niyo yung glow metal polish? Bine-metal polish ko yung sink ko. So yung pwede ka magsalamin doon, ganun ka linis yung dishwashing area ko. At pagka-out na ako, I would go to the oven man's area. I would cook pizza for free. Walang bayad, 4 hours duty, 4 hours libre. I just wanted to learn. After a month, nakita ko yung schedule, Max Salazar, oven man. Sabi ko, pwede. Sabi ko, goodbye, dishwashing area. Sabi ko, hello, pasma. Kasi mainit. So with that, I started learning more skills that allowed me to be the man that I am today. My first business was a restaurant, Chinese restaurant, 300 seats. Right now, I have 7 businesses. It started with me becoming a dishwasher. Level of your competency. Are you the best of the best? If not, internally, am I the best that I can be?